new Volvo XC70 SUV is Volvo Cars' first long-range plug-in hybrid, offering an all-electric driving range of over 200 kilometers under the CLTC testing cycle, the longest of any Volvo plug-in hybrid to date. Blending the latest technology, advanced safety and Scandinavian design, the new XC70 is a perfect choice for families seeking a more comfortable and relaxed lifestyle without compromising on performance or capability. Built on Volvo Cars' new scalable modular architecture platform for long-range plug-in hybrids, the new XC70 represents an important addition to the company's product lineup. It is designed to meet growing demand for longer-range plug-in hybrids, particularly in China, where customers can now pre-order the car. Volvo Cars also plans to bring the car to Europe at a later stage. The new XC70 is a very attractive choice for customers who want the benefits of electric driving but are not yet ready to go fully electric, says Håkan Samuelsson, President and Chief Executive of Volvo Cars. It is a cornerstone of our electrified product portfolio, a bridge to fully electric cars for our customers, and it will strengthen our presence in the world's largest car market. Premium comfort and versatility. It's easy to feel at home inside the XC70. Comfortably seated and surrounded by smart storage, both the driver and passengers can enjoy the spacious cabin, which features a clean, timeless Scandinavian design and high-quality materials. The premium touch is evident in every detail, from the media switch to an immersive sound experience, which are carefully tuned to match the car's interior acoustics. The XC70 appeals to everyone who values both comfort and performance. Its well-tuned chassis, strong body, and well-balanced steering make every journey smooth and enjoyable. With large wheels, high ground clearance, and all-wheel drive capability, it's also ready for more challenging road conditions. Smart connectivity when you need it. The fast and intelligent infotainment system in the XC70 comes with everything needed for a modern in-car experience, including digital services such as an AI-powered voice assistant that makes it easy to call friends and family, control the car's functions, and search for information online. The XC70 features a crisp 12.3-inch driver display and a large freestanding 15.4-inch horizontal center display, presenting what you need when you need it. The horizontal format allows the driver to view a large navigation map while still having space for other key functions, making multitasking intuitive and efficient. In addition, a 92-inch augmented reality head-up display can be opted for, providing a more immersive cockpit experience. For added convenience, many of the car's functions, such as preconditioning of the cabin, can be remotely controlled using the Volvo Cars app. And with over-the-air updates, the XC70 stays up to date with the latest software, continuously improving over time. Safe Space technology included. Equipped with Safe Space technology, Volvo XC70 is designed to help keep people safe and make them feel safe on every journey. With advanced sensing technology, including radars, cameras, and sensors, the XC70 can continuously monitor its surroundings and support the driver to help avoid or mitigate collisions when needed. It also comes with safety features to help look out for people around the car in busy urban environments, like the door opening alert, designed to help drivers and passengers avoid opening their doors into the path of cyclists. For a relaxed driving experience, the XC70 also offers intelligent driver support, such as automatic lane change assist, park pilot assist, and active navigation support. Production of the new XC70 is already underway, and it is now available to pre-order in China. The XC70 is equipped with fast charging technology, enabling it to charge from 0 to 80% in just 23 minutes. In addition, the car's bidirectional charging capacity makes it possible to use the battery as a power bank for other electric devices, such as outdoor and camping appliances. With its long electric range and fast charging capabilities, the XC70 is affordable to drive and free of tailpipe emissions in most of your everyday commutes. The efficient combustion engine adds the flexibility needed for longer trips, allowing you to drive over 1,200 kilometers without the need for charging or refueling. Modern Scandinavian design. Purposefully designed, the Volvo XC70 reflects a modern take on the company's Scandinavian design heritage. Its strong stance and distinct features present calm confidence and rational simplicity. Sculpted lines run from front to back, while the gently tapered roof and defined shoulder give it a solid yet dynamic look. At the front, a shield-like closed grille, echoing fully electric Volvo models, is paired with an active grille shutter that automatically adjusts to optimize aerodynamics, cabin climate and cooling. This feature helps to enhance energy efficiency and extend driving range. At the rear, the vertical C-shaped taillights are smoothly integrated into the rear glass, creating a sleek, modern look that is both eye-catching and functional.